friends, today I am going to show you how to make a straw appear from thin air. The reason this experiment works is mostly science, but there is some trickery and talent hidden in it. See, the first step to this experiment is the preparation of the straw. First, take a normal straw, but it does not have to have those jagged big bits which you can use to bend the straw and drink. The straw we are using for this experiment does not have to have all of that. It's just a plain straw. Okay, and then cut one side of the straw in such a way that you can open it. Only cut one side. If you cut the other side by accident, then the straw is useless and you should use another straw. And now what you should do now is quite surprising. See, open one end of the straw and slowly start to roll it. Okay? Here is the rolled up straw. Now the first step is complete. The second step is just how you prepare it and put it in your hand and how you show it to the audience. See, to put it in your hand, first make this shape. Okay? The thumb can be closed or open. It doesn't matter. So, first put it inside your hand. But there is one trick. The audience should not know that the straw has been cut. So you should only show them the side which has not been cut. So this side. So that means that this side should not be shown. So turn it around to make sure that the cut side is facing you and the non-cut side is facing the audience. See, like this. And now close it a lot. You might get pain, but when you practice, you don't even understand that it's hitting your fingers. And now I'm telling you how to do it in front of the audience. The practicing preparation step is complete now. See, first you should show the audience that you have nothing in your hand. You should make sure that they think there is nothing inside, so they think the straw is appearing out of thin air. So show it in this angle. But this flap is showing out. So you should take both of these fingers, and if it's falling out, only take this finger and place it a little forward so that it covers the flap, and you make sure that the audience thinks there is nothing inside. So if you want them to match, you can do that with this hand also. Okay, after you prove it to them, you take your hand and put it like this. Okay? And then comes the actual trick. See, hold this part of the straw like this, but don't make a fold. Just hold it gently like this. Okay? And when you start pulling, this part might come out and fall down to the floor, so your audience can see what you've been doing. So to make sure that doesn't happen, take your thumb and hold that part with your thumb. And now just slowly open it. Sometimes it will actually go out, but that's okay. Just make sure that this part doesn't slip out of your hand and fall on the floor, because then the audience can see it. And sometimes it actually opens up, so your magic trick could be ruined. Slowly and carefully open it, and if you can do it from here while you are doing the magic trick, just do this, okay? And then it also seems like you're pulling the starting of the straw fast, but it does not seem like you're moving it. So slowly take the part which has been opened a little bit and close it and pull it up. Do this whenever you think that the straw has opened enough that the audience might suspect that it's cut. So then you can open it fully and the audience can't understand anything. Here's another trick. See, if you pull it out from one finger, sometimes they actually think that you're pulling it out of inside your hand. So to make sure that happens, you take both of these fingers and connect them enough to hold the straw. And then take this finger to make sure that they don't know you are holding the straw with these two fingers. And then, because you're touching them a little bit, then this part is bigger, so it can't go inside. So it unrolls and your straw is out. But sometimes if you do it too many times at the same time, the end of the straw can be looking like this. See. So what you should do is just in time, just do this. Fast, quickly, just open this flap and leave it. So because you open the flap, it can easily go back to its shape because of material memory. So that's how you do this trick with material memory, to make sure that the audience sees the straw carefully gliding out of your hand and the trickery of the hand, to make sure that your hand itself covers the straw from being seen until the reveal. Okay? And here's a bonus tip. Make sure that there is no light behind you. Okay? No light behind you. If there is some light, then even if you are showing the non-cut part of the straw to the audience, all the straw becomes transparent, so you can see through this part and you can see that the back of the straw has been cut. So they would understand how it's happening and they won't like the trick anymore. So make sure that you do it in a dark environment with a little bit of light in front of you, and then everyone would give you the first place for every magic competition. Just do it carefully. Please subscribe for more amazing videos like this one, and don't forget to hit the bell button. In my channel, there are 4 types of videos that we make. The first one is Slokas. We actually named our channel on it, Slokas with Tanish. And the second one is stories. Panchatantra stories to be exact. They give some morals and I carefully explain them to make sure that even if you don't understand the moral, I'll teach you the moral. Next is science experiments. I'll tell you the fun science behind it, why it works, and then I'll give you a fun name at the intro. And there is also domino videos. In my domino videos, we either do some domino tracks or we do some tricks that we can use for dominoes, like a domino launcher, a domino track starter, or even a trick that you can use to make your dominoes beat any wall, as long as it is shorter than the actual domino. So please watch my channel to stay devotional with Slokas. Get some entertainment with fun stories. Understand science with fun science experiments. And be very entertained using more tricks for your domino tracks. Please watch my channel because they have so many good videos.